in his statement, which had been circulated with the Sport and Accounts, the chairman said, at home the trading profits of company have been well maintained in spite of the fact that costs have continued to rise. Full stop. This has only been possible as a result of intensive selling, which has led to a greatly increased demands for our products. Full stop. This is its turn has already placed a considerable strains on our productive facilities, but we believe that it would not be wise in view of existing world economic situation for us to embark upon any further large scale capital development for the present. Full stop. We hope that our new export factory will be completed within the next few months, and that new plant and machinery will soon be installed in another of our factories. Full stop. When this has been done, I think you will agree with me that I shall be able to congratulate ourselves on having built up an organization which is capable of meeting any difficult times which may lie ahead. Full stop. During the year, the value of the sales of all our products increased by 19%. Full stop. We are continuing to the maximum all the year round, and so reducing the price of our products. Full stop. Paragraph. In Australia, trading conditions were seriously affected in the early part of the year by shortages of certain raw materials, and towards the end of the year, there was a decrease in the demand for our products, due to the economic situation. Full stop. Since the end of the year, trading in Australia has been even more unsettled, but there are signs that there is likely to be an improvement in the near future. Full stop. Our South African company had another good year of trading and has achieved record sales. Full stop. The new factory, which was started there 6 months ago, is now nearly finished and should be in production in time for the next summer session. Full stop. Last autumn, I paid a visit to Canada in order to study the possibilities of increasing our sales in that country. Full stop. I think that there is, without any doubt, a growing market there for some of our products if we can obtain suitable manufacturing facilities over there, but it will not be easy to acquire them because of the present restrictions on currency. Full stop. We hope, however, that we shall soon solve this problem. Full stop.